Um, Sorry, I'm not in school today. I'd actually really rather be in school today. Um, I'm feeling a bit under the weather, and I figured it would be better not to get you all sick. I know some of you would rather get sick because then you don't have to come to school, but um, unfortunately, I can't be there today. So I think I'll be back and able to be there tomorrow. I need to be back tomorrow because interims are on Wednesday morning, and I'll have to have your stuff graded by then. So I just want to talk about today real fast. Um, Today we're gonna jump a section ahead in the book. So last time we were talking about solving linear equations, or systems of linear equations, okay, and we're gonna jump ahead. We're gonna go from doing that. We're gonna skip a section and go on to matrices. We'll come back and we'll do systems of three different equations and solving that, but that's a little bit more in depth, and so I figured we would do something a little bit easier. So what I want you to do is basically we're just going to spend the day on Khan Academy. Now I've uploaded your Google Classroom into Khan Academy so I can see what you're doing. If you have not ever signed into Khan Academy, what I want you to do is go ahead and click, when you click on the link to Khan Academy, go ahead and click the red button that says log in with Google, and that should get you into Khan Academy easily enough. Okay, so once you're done watching this video, you're going to click on the link to Khan Academy, and it might ask you to sign in. Go ahead and sign in with Google, and that way I can see what you're doing. A lot of you, if you had me last year, you should already have a sign in with Khan Academy. In fact, all of you should, but just in case you don't. Alright, so this is what I want you to do. We're just going to work through the matrices section. I'll show you how far I want you to get. So we're going to start right here. Now, when I move my mouse, sometimes the audio goes out, and I'm not sure why, so just bear with me here. So start right here on the intros to matrices, and I want you to work through each of them. So I want you to watch the videos and do the practice. So do these practice items, and then go on to, I want you to go on to the next section. So you'll go representing linear systems. Just go ahead and click on that, and it'll move you on to this next section. So I want you to work through that, and then I want you to go on to the next section. Um, which is this. And again, guys, a lot of this stuff is really easy. I know it feels like a lot. I want you to work through both of these. Okay, so work through both of those. So this is the third section, right? So we've done three sections on Khan Academy. I want you to skip. Okay, just skip the next section. Okay, so when you get to row echelon form and Gaussian elimination, we're going to learn about that. We're not going to learn about that right now. But I do want you to keep going. I want you doing adding and subtracting matrices. Okay, so adding and subtracting matrices, I do want you to do. I want you to do all these. Again, it's really pretty simple stuff, and it's pretty basic. And if you've ever had matrices before, it should not be difficult. But I want you to work through that, and then the last, I want you to work through multiplying matrices by scalars, and then I want you to do, let's see how far we get here, this section on zero matrices, and I want you to finish with multiplying matrices. Now, I know that's kind of a lot, so what I will tell you is this. If you already know how to do some of this matrices stuff, I'm okay if you skip the videos. Now look, there's only like one video on each section, and a lot of it is just kind of reading and doing. The parts that I really want you to do is I really want you doing the intro to matrix multiplication. That is important and will be on your homework. You can stop right here at practicing so I want you to work through all those sections. Now it feels like a lot of sections, I know, but a lot of them are only like 3 things long. It's a short video, 5-minute video, and you have all class period to do it. If you sit down and do it, you will be able to get it done. Okay, and again, if you want to skip the video, see if you can figure it out on your own, and then come back to the video if you get stuck, I'm fine with that. What I want you to do is I want you to be able to get down to practicing multiplying matrices. So I do expect that you'll be able to know how to multiply matrices by the time you do your homework tonight. Okay, and I'll give you probably a brief overview of it tomorrow, but I don't want to take up any more of your time because you had a lot to get to. Okay, and again, I can see how much you've gotten done. So I'm expecting you to get through multiplying matrices today. Okay, and if you didn't, you can get it done tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow.